me Aman. I welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the complex number. Okay, complex number. Complex number. Before we start the complex number, we should know about the real number, the set of real number. What about the set of real number? Natural number, integers, whole number, even, odd, all are the set of the real number. So if you talk about this quantity, we are able to solve. We are able to solve. But when we are getting something under root, any negative quantity, we are not defining this specific value. We are not able to define this specific value. So we need to define something. We need to something to define this value. So what we find the term is iota. We find the term is iota. Okay. We find the term is iota. Okay. So let's back. The value of iota is equal to under root minus 1. Okay. Let's come on point. What is a complex number? Complex number is the combination of pure real number and pure imaginary number. It is denoted by a plus iota b. This is iota. So complex number is a combination of pure real number and pure imaginary number. Here if we talk about a set C, then this z is equal to a plus ib, then what? Z such that z is equal to a plus iota b, where a and b belongs to real number. See, a and b belongs to especially real number, but what in this equation, if we talk about the complex, then a plus ib, this is a formation of the complex number, and here a is a part of z is real part of z, and ib is the imaginary part of z. Okay, I can write like Ra, it's a real part of z is equal to a, and imaginary part of z is equal to b. Understand? Okay, let's talk about the very simple operations: addition, subtraction, and multiplication of the complex number. Before to doing that part, let's talk about the identity and quantity power of the iota. Okay, so let's talk about the power of iota. As I taught you last time, iota is equal to root over minus 1. Then the square of the iota is equal to what? Square of the root over minus 1. Then we will get what? Minus 1. Again, the cube of the iota is equal to what? The square of the iota into iota. So it is become what? Minus 1 into iota. So it is become minus iota. So what is iota cubic is equal to minus iota. Iota to the power 4 is equal to what? Iota square into iota square. So as we are knowing about that, iota square is equal to what? Minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Why we are learning the power of the iota? Because of we will use this value to solve the complex numbers problems. Okay. Any problem? See. So what is the result? Iota is equal to what? It's very short. Minus root minus 1. Iota square minus 1. Iota cube minus iota. Iota to the power 4 is equal to 1. Okay. Now let's come on a point of addition, subtraction, and multiplication of the complex number. I'm taking like a plus ib plus c plus id. Okay, this is a common example. A plus ib means iota b plus c plus iota d. Then when you will add that, then what is the rules we will follow? Usually you did it what? If you talk about the algebra, then you are adding the numerical values together and variables together. Okay. Similarly, we will do the imaginary part of the complex number together and the real numbers together. So what? A plus ib plus c plus id. So a and c are the real part of the complex number. So a plus c, and here iota is common. Then b plus d. Any problem? Are you sure? Let's take an example. Okay, so you can tell me an example. 3 plus 5 iota and plus 3 plus 9 iota. You can take anything, whatever you want. So basically, you need to follow the very basic rules to addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So what? Again, 3 plus 5 iota plus 3 plus 9 iota. Again 3, 6, and then plus 5 iota and 9 iota. It is become 14 iota. As I told you, this is the standard form of the complex number. So a plus I b. This is your answer. Any problem? Sure? Okay. Let's talk about the subtraction. Similarly, we will do subtraction too. I'm just taking some example to make you understand. Okay. 5 plus 2 iota minus 2 plus 3 iota. Okay. So what? 5 plus 2 iota minus 2 minus 3 iota, because the sign is like the brackets. So what? Again 5 and minus 2 is become 3, and 2 iota and minus 3 iota is become minus iota. So this is what? A plus ib. It shouldn't form the complex number. Okay. Similarly, talk about the multiplication. Let's multiply this quantity together. So 5 to the 5 and again plus 5 into 3 15 iota, and again plus 2 to the 4 iota. Okay, and then plus 2 3 the 6 iota square. Okay, so what? 10 plus 15 iota and 4 iota. Tell me. 19 iota and plus 6 here, since
minus
iota square is equal to, this is minus 1. So put it here into minus 1. So what? 10 plus 19 iota minus 6. It is become 4 plus 19 iota. This is your answer. Clear? So this is the addition, subtraction, multiplication property of the complex number. Now we will talk about the conjugate of the complex number. What? Conjugate of the complex number. Yeah, I'm telling you about that. Conjugate of the complex number. If you talk about the conjugate of the complex number, see, if the complex number, you can write the definition too. If the complex number is z, then the conjugate form of complex number is z bar. Okay, so how will we obtain that? It obtained by changing the sign of imaginary number. Changing the sign of imaginary number. So what is the definition? If the complex number is z, means z is equal to what? A plus ib. Usually it's a plus ib. So what? Then the conjugate form of the complex number z bar means a plus ib bar. Okay. So what is the differences? It's obtained by the changing the sign of imaginary. So I'm writing an example. So 2 plus 3 iota bar. Okay. Then what? It is become 2 minus 3 iota. Here what I told you. Then the conjugate form of complex is z bar. Then what? It's obtained by the changing the sign of the imaginary number. If you talk about the conjugate of the real number, let's come on a point. If you talk about the conjugate of a real number, like bar 5, it will be 5. It's 7, it will be 7. But if you talk about the complex number, we will change the sign of imaginary number. Any problem? Okay, I'm just repeating again. The complex number z, the complex number is z, so what? Z is equal to a plus ib. Okay. Similarly, we talk about the conjugate of the complex number is what? Conjugate conjugate of the complex number z bar. So what is the example? If you are taking like a plus ib bar, then you will get that a minus ib. This is your complex number, conjugate of the complex number. So what is different between them? The sign of imaginary number. Okay, as I defined you, if the conjugate form of the complex number z, then the conjugate form of complex number z bar, it will be z bar. अगर complex number यहाँ पे z है तो conjugate complex number form क्या हो जाएगा z bar, और वहाँ पे क्या होगा, we will change the sign of imaginary number. हम क्या करेंगे, सिर्फ imaginary number के sign को change करेंगे. Clear? Okay. I'm taking a question. If someone asks like what is the like taking example 3 plus 4 iota, okay, if the form is given, then how will we change? It will become 3 minus 4 iota. Clear? अगर हम बात करते हैं किसी रियल नंबर के कॉन्जुगेट फॉर्म के बारे में, तो वो किसी भी रियल नंबर का कॉन्जुगेट वो इटसेल्फ होता है, खुद ही होता है. देखो यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिख दिया 5. तो मींस इससे क्या समझ में आ रहा है, किसी रियल नंबर का जो कॉन्जुगेट है वो क्या है 5. Next term is the modulus of complex number. Modulus of the complex number. If you talk about the modulus of the complex number, then what? Complex number z is equal to a plus ib. Then modulus of z is like this. So modulus of z is equal to what? Under root a square plus b square. This is the quantity of the modulus of complex number. So what? Z is equal to a plus ib. Then if you need to find the modulus of the complex number, then what? Modulus of the complex number is equal to under root a square plus b square. Let's take some example. What? 5 plus 3 iota. This is z is equal to 5 plus 3 iota is example. Then what? Modulus of z is equal to root over a square, and again a plus ib you can compare. A is equal to 5, so 5 square plus b is equal to 3, then 3 square. So modulus of z is equal to 25 plus 9, and modulus of z is equal to what? Let's talk about this question. 3 plus iota root 5 into 3 minus iota root 5, and root 3 plus 2 root iota minus root 3 minus iota root 2. You can see here a plus b and a minus b. So what is the formula? A plus b and a minus b? It is a square minus b square. क्लास 10 में पढ़ा था. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 3 का स्क्वायर माइनस आयोटा रूट 5 का स्क्वायर अपॉन ऐड करते हैं यहाँ पे क्या रूट 3 प्लस रूट 2 आयोटा माइनस रूट 3 प्लस आयोटा रूट 2. Okay, let's solve this. It's a 3 is a 9 minus it's a 5 iota square upon root 2 root 3 cancel out, plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel out, and root 2 iota and root 2 iota, it is become 2 root 2 iota. Clear? Means एक root 2 और एक iota, एक और root 2 iota, ये हो गया 2 root 2 iota. अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा? next step में क्या होगा? 5 plus 9 plus 5. यहाँ पे plus क्यों? Since यहाँ पे mentions कर देते हैं iota square is equal to -1, तो -1 9 5 1 जा 5, यहाँ पे प्लस, तो अपॉन क्या हो गया 2 root 2 iota. अब इसको ऐड कर देते हैं. ऐड करेंगे तो क्या मिला हमारे पास? ये हो गया आपका 14 अपॉन 2 root 2 iota. ठीक है, 14 अपॉन 2 root 2 iota. अब यहाँ देखो, आप सिर्फ इमेजिनरी नंबर में फॉर्म आ रहा है. ये क्या आ गया 2 7 जा 14, so 7 अपॉन रूट 2 आयोटा. अब यहाँ पे भी आप क्या हो तो इसको रेशनलाइज कर सकते हो. आयोटा का आपने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो क्या हो गया 7 आयोटा अपॉन माइनस रूट 2. So let's take a new questions. 3 plus 2 iota upon 2 minus 5 iota plus 3 minus 2 iota upon 2 plus 5 iota. ये प्रूव करना है क्या एक ये रेशनल है, ये प्रूव करना है कि क्या ये रेशनल है. So let's see, देखते हैं क्या है. So first of all, a plus b and a minus b, and we can take LCM together. So first of all we will take LCM. What? 2 minus 5 iota and 2 plus 5 iota. LCM हो गया. 2 minus 5 और 2 minus 5 iota cancel out. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 3 plus 2 iota multiply with 2 plus 5 iota plus cancel out. So 3 minus 2 iota multiply with 2 minus 5 iota. Okay. Now, to solve this, 3 to the 6 plus 3 to the 15 iota plus 2 to the 4 iota plus 5 to the 10 iota square plus यहाँ पे 3 to the 6 minus 15 iota and minus 4 iota and then plus 10 iota square. Okay, upon a square minus b square, so 4 plus 25. Okay, let's see next one. What? 15 iota cancel, plus 4 iota cancel, and then now 6 12 and 10 iota square and 10 iota square, it is become minus 20. So minus 20 upon 29. Okay, upon 29. So next 12 minus 20, so it is become minus 8 upon 29. So this is a rational number. Yeah, hence this is rational number, hence proved. So next question is 1 upon 5 plus iota 2 upon 5 minus 4 plus iota 5 upon 2. Okay, let us start. Let's solve this question. 1 upon 5 plus iota 2 upon 5. So 1 upon 5 plus iota 2 upon 5 minus 4 minus iota 5 upon 2. Okay. So आपको यहाँ पे क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? हमें क्या लेना चाहिए? We can take common. हमें कॉमन ले सकते हैं. तो कॉमन में हम क्या करने हैं? पहले इसको सेपरेट कर लें. ये और ये एक साथ क्या हो गया? 1 upon 5 minus 4 upon 1 real number and imaginary part plus 2 iota upon 5 minus यहाँ पे 5 iota upon 2. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे इस तरह से फॉर्म हो गया. ओके, अब यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? 1 upon 5 minus 4 अलग है प्लस आयोटा कॉमन ले लेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? 2 upon 5 minus 5 upon 2. अब इसके बाद आपका नॉर्मल प्रोसीजर है, एलसीएम ले लीजिए, इसको सॉल्व करिए. ठीक है. एलसीएम लेके क्या करने वाले हैं? यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं. 5 for 20 it's 19 minus 19 upon 5 plus आयोटा, और यहाँ पे आपका एलसीएम कितना आएगा? 10 आ जाएगा. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4 minus 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. तो एग्जैक्टली क्या है आपका? minus 19 upon 5 plus आयोटा, यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? ये हो गया आपका minus 21. 25 है यहाँ पे 4 minus 21 upon 10. तो एग्जैक्टली आपका क्या आ गया? minus 19 upon 5 minus 21 आयोटा upon 10 आपका आंसर हो गया.